Hi everyone, welcome back to yet another JavaScript coding challenge session. So today we are going to find out whether the given string is palindrome or not. Okay. So basically palindrome means it should read same whenever if you read it from the left to right or right to left. Okay. So you can see you can it will be the same thing even like if you read it from the left to right and right to left. Okay. So let's solve this. Const is palindrome. So I'm just calling this function equal to is palindrome. Okay, let me pass string one first. Okay, so basically, if you see all these test cases, we need to consider a few things. Okay, so first we have to. So if you see the second test case, you can see this is basically a palindrome, but when we are comparing, it would give false. Okay, so to make it work, we have to convert given string into either lowercase or uppercase. Okay, so this is the first one. And if you see this string 3, so there is definitely a casing issue and also there are spaces in it. So we need to remove those spaces as well. Okay, so these are the two things which we need to fix. Okay, so for that, let me create a new string. Okay, let fixed string. Okay, now let me loop through this string, okay? Whatever we are getting. For let I equal to 0, I less than string dot length I plus plus, okay? So now what we have to do is, now let's consider to remove spaces and special characters which are there in the string, okay? So to fix that, I will write a regular expression wherein like I will only allow either characters or digits, okay? So for that, let me write a regular expression. So slash a to z and then small a to z and then 0 to 9. Okay. Slash. So after that, I will test. Okay. So test is the default method which is available for the regular expressions. Test. uh, So we have to validate whether the current string character is validating these conditions or not. Okay. So if it satisfies, we have to add to this fixed string. Okay, so fixed string plus is equal to current character. And now let me convert this current character to the lowercase. Okay, to lowercase. Okay, so with this we are done with fixing the issues whether the string has spaces or special characters, and also the case insensitivity as well. Okay, and now let me define one more string called reverse string. Okay, now let me create a one more for loop for let I is equal to. So now let me initialize the value, my I value to this fixed string length. Okay, so which is basically fixed string length minus 1. Okay, so that like we don't get a boundary condition error here. Okay, length minus 1 colon I greater than or equal to 0 and I minus minus. Okay, so once we have this, what we can do is we can directly give reversed string plus is equal to fixed string of I. Okay, So this is simple because we have removed spaces and special characters from the original string. Okay, and now let me compare. Okay, return reversed string triple equal to fixed string. Okay, so okay, now we are done with the writing function and the business logic. So now let me console this palindrome. Okay, now let me run the script node palindrome node script.js. Okay, so you can see we got true. Okay, and let me pass string 2. Okay, so we got true here as well, and let me pass 3. See, 3 is like with spaces, and even like it will work for that number as well. Okay, see this. Okay, so everything is working. So I hope this solution makes sense to you, and thank you for watching. Okay.